What's up, you guys? It's your boy Chris here at EB.TV, back again with another video, and today it's going to be a custom, as you saw by the thumbnail, on a pair of Air Jordan 10s, and the custom is a little tribute to Kobe and Gigi. You know, they passed away recently due to some pretty terrible circumstances, but I had a customer hit me up and they wanted their shoes customized, and no guys, I did not get to choose the shoes. They were worn shoes already. They were kind of beat up already, but I made it happen. I made it work. If I could do it on a brand new pair of Air Force Ones, I would have. So before you guys start getting on me about that, why I do it on the Jordans, why I do it on 10s, why the shoes already worn and stuff, customer shoes. A lot of the shoes you see on my channel, a lot of the shoes you see on my channel are actually customer shoes. Like, people send their shoes in to me, guys. I do them for them, and I send them back to them. So for everyone asking in the comments and the other videos and all that other good stuff, yes, I do customize shoes for other people. You can hit me up on Instagram at EB.Customs to get your shoes done, or you can email me at EB.Customs@yahoo.com. That's pretty much it for the intro of this video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe if you like my content, if you want to see more. I want to do a giveaway soon, but I feel like my IG's just got to get a little bit more up there, you know what I'm saying? Like, the subscribers are there right now, but the other social medias, you know, they're not, they need to all be together, flourish together, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked the video. It's your boy Chris here, and I'm out. Peace.
on the beat.
You ain't slick.